Imagine stepping outside one crisp evening, the sky painted in hues of twilight, only to notice something utterly wrong. The moon, our familiar celestial companion, looms larger than ever before. Too large, too close, tumbling toward Earth with a terrifying grace. Its silvery glow fills the night, but this is no romantic vista. This is the beginning of a cosmic catastrophe that would reshape our world in ways both devastating and strangely beautiful. What would happen if the moon collided with Earth? Buckle up, because this journey through space, time, and human resilience will leave you awestruck, heartbroken, and inspired to ponder our place in the universe. Let's dive into this epic tale, and if it grips you, hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more cosmic adventures. Picture the moon, no longer a distant orb, but a colossal presence dominating the sky, growing larger each day as it spirals closer to Earth. At first, the changes are subtle but ominous. The tides, those rhythmic dances of the ocean, turn feral. Coastal cities, New York, Tokyo, Miami, face relentless surges as the moon's gravitational pull intensifies. Waves tower over skyscrapers, swallowing streets and homes in a watery embrace. The oceans, once Earth's lifeblood, become agents of destruction, reshaping coastlines overnight. But the tides are just the beginning. The moon's proximity wreaks havoc on our planet's delicate balance. Satellites, the backbone of modern communication, are flung from their orbits like leaves in a storm. GPS fails, internet connections flicker, and global communication grinds to a halt. Imagine trying to call a loved one only to hear static, a chilling reminder of how fragile our interconnected world is. Meanwhile, the Earth itself groans under the strain. Fault lines quiver, triggering earthquakes that topple cities. Volcanoes, long dormant, erupt with fury, painting the skies with ash and fire. Every day brings new tremors, new eruptions, a relentless drumbeat of destruction. Yet amid this chaos, something extraordinary happens. When the moon is just 11,000 miles from Earth's surface, closer than any satellite has ever orbited, our planet's gravity takes over. The moon, unable to withstand the tidal forces, shatters. Fragments of lunar rock and dust scatter across the sky, forming a breathtaking ring system around Earth, rivaling Saturn's iconic bands. Survivors, huddled in the ruins of a broken world, look up to see these shimmering rings glowing in the sunlight. At night, the sky comes alive with meteor showers as lunar dust burns through the atmosphere, painting streaks of light across the heavens. It's a paradox, a world in ruin, yet adorned with a celestial masterpiece. Would you gaze at those rings and feel wonder, or would the weight of loss be too much to bear? Now, let's shift gears to a story that's less about destruction and more about hope. A story that carries our essence beyond the stars. In 1977, NASA launched the Voyager 1 and 2 spacecraft, twin explorers sent to dance through the outer planets during a rare cosmic alignment of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These probes, now the farthest human-made objects from Earth, have ventured beyond our solar system, carrying with them a message for anyone or anything that might find them. This message is the Golden Record, a time capsule of humanity's heart and soul. Picture it, a golden disc etched with sounds, images, and science that tell the story of Earth. It holds the laughter of children, the songs of whales, and music that spans centuries. From Beethoven's symphonies to the rhythmic beats of ancient drums, it carries greetings in 55 languages, each a thread in the tapestry of human connection. Greetings to the friends of the stars, may time unite us, says one voice. Shalom offers another. Assalamu alaikum echoes a third. These words, spoken with hope, reach out to the unknown, a testament to our desire to connect even across the vastness of space. Curated by Carl Sagan and his team, the Golden Record also includes over 100 images, snapshots of life on Earth, a mother nursing her child, a bustling city street, a serene mountain range. These images capture the beauty, diversity, and fragility of our world. As Voyager drifts through the cosmos, now over 15 billion miles away as of August 20th, 2025, the record remains a beacon of who we are. Long after Earth's cities crumble, this disk might be the last whisper of humanity, a reminder that we dreamed, loved, and wondered. If you could add one sound or image to the Golden Record, what would it be? Drop it in the comments. I'm curious to hear your ideas. Now, let's zoom in on a moment that's equal parts thrilling and terrifying. In 1984, astronaut Bruce McCandless stepped out of the Space Shuttle Challenger, not tethered by a rope, but propelled by a jetpack into the infinite void of space. Imagine it, floating 100 meters from the shuttle, Earth a distant blue marble below, and nothing but silence surrounding you. This iconic photograph, one of NASA's most striking, captures McCandless alone in the abyss, a lone figure against the vastness of space. When asked about the experience, McCandless didn't talk about the view or the thrill. He spoke of the cold, bone-chilling, unrelenting cold that seeped into his suit the moment he left the shuttle's warmth. That silence, that isolation is almost unimaginable. What if the jetpack failed? What if he drifted too far? The thought sends shivers down the spine. Yet this moment wasn't just about fear. It was about courage, about pushing the boundaries of what humanity could achieve. McCandless's untethered spacewalk tested the limits of technology and human endurance, paving the way for future missions. It's a reminder that exploration, even at its most perilous, is what drives us forward. Have you ever faced a moment of fear that led to something incredible? Share your story in the comments. Now, let's venture into the realm of the cosmic heavyweights, black holes. When these enigmatic giants collide, they don't just crash, they send ripples through the very fabric of space-time, moving at the speed of light. These gravitational waves, predicted by Einstein in 1915, stretch and squeeze everything in their path, like ripples on a cosmic pond. For a century, they remained theoretical until 2015, when the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory detected them for the first time. LIGO's method is mind-boggling. A laser beam splits and travels down two 4-kilometer-long arms, bouncing off mirrors with precision measured to a fraction of a proton's width. When a gravitational wave passes through Earth, it alters the arm's lengths by a minuscule amount, enough for LIGO to detect. Since that first detection, LIGO and its global partners have observed dozens of black hole collisions, each one a testament to Einstein's genius and humanity's ingenuity. These waves carry stories of cosmic violence from billions of years ago, reminding us that the universe is a dynamic, ever-changing place. Want to dive deeper into the science of black holes? Subscribe and let me know in the comments what cosmic mysteries you'd like to explore next. On Mars, a different kind of story unfolded, one of resilience and heartbreak. The Opportunity rover, launched in 2003, was meant to explore the red planet for just 90 days. But this scrappy machine defied the odds, roaming over 28 miles of Martian terrain for 15 years. It sent back images of alien landscapes, from vast deserts to ancient riverbeds, revealing Mars's watery past. But in 2018, a planet-wide dust storm darkened the skies, choking Opportunity's solar panels. As its power dwindled, the rover sent a final message to Earth. "My battery is low and it's getting dark." Those words, transmitted on June 10th, 2018, weren't just data, they were a poignant farewell from a machine that had become a symbol of human curiosity. Opportunity's mission ended, but its legacy lives on, inspiring future explorations like the Perseverance rover, which continues to search for signs of life on Mars as of August 2025. Opportunity's story reminds us that even machines can touch our hearts, teaching us about perseverance and the drive to explore. What's the most inspiring space mission you followed? Let's talk about it in the comments. Speaking of Mars, let's take a moment to appreciate its alien beauty. On Earth, sunsets glow with reds and pinks, but on Mars, they shimmer with a haunting blue. Why? The fine dust in Mars's atmosphere scatters blue light more effectively, creating a twilight unlike anything we see at home. Images from NASA's rovers, like Perseverance and Curiosity, show a small, distant sun sinking below the horizon, casting a blue glow over rusty red plains. It's a reminder that even in the vastness of space, beauty finds a way. Picture yourself standing on Mars, watching that blue sunset. Would it feel like home or like a dream? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments. But beauty isn't the only thing waiting in the cosmos. Far beyond Mars, the red giant star Betelgeuse in the constellation Orion is on the brink of a spectacular end. As of August 2025, recent studies suggest Betelgeuse is in its final stages, fusing carbon in its core, a prelude to a supernova that could light up Earth's skies. When it explodes, it will shine brighter than the moon, visible even during the day, casting shadows at night. At 500 light years away, we're safe from its wrath, but the show will be unforgettable. Imagine looking up to see a star explode in real time, a cosmic fireworks display millions of years in the making. What would you do if you saw Betelgeuse go supernova? Share your thoughts below. Black holes, those invisible titans, have long captivated our imaginations. They're so dense that not even light can escape. Yet in 2019, scientists achieved the impossible. They photographed one. Using the Event Horizon Telescope, a network of telescopes spanning the globe, researchers captured images of two black holes. Sagittarius, a star at the heart of our Milky Way, 26,000 light years away, and the massive black hole in the M87 galaxy, 53 million light years distant. The images show glowing rings of light, the accretion disks, surrounding the dark event horizons. Creating these images required a telescope the size of Earth, achieved by syncing telescopes worldwide to act as one. The result? A glimpse into the heart of darkness, proving that even the universe's most elusive objects can't hide forever. These breakthroughs, updated with ongoing research as of 2025, show humanity's relentless pursuit of knowledge. Want more on black holes? Hit that subscribe button and let's keep exploring. In 1990, as Voyager 1 sailed past Neptune, Carl Sagan urged NASA to turn its camera back toward Earth for one final snapshot. At 4 billion miles away, Earth appeared as a tiny speck, a pale blue dot caught in a ray of scattered sunlight. Sagan's words about this image resonate deeply. That's here. That's home. That's us. This single pixel holds every human story, every triumph, every tragedy. It's a humbling reminder of our smallness in the cosmic tapestry, yet also of our capacity to reach beyond it. The pale blue dot challenges us to cherish our planet and each other. It's a call to protect our only home, to bridge divides, and to dream big. What does this image mean to you? Share your reflections in the comments. I'd love to hear how it inspires you. Not all space stories are triumphant. In 1957, the Soviet Union sent Laika, a stray dog from Moscow's streets, into orbit aboard Sputnik 2. The space race was in full swing, and no one knew if life could survive the void. Laika, fitted with sensors and confined in a tiny capsule, was launched with no hope of return. As the rocket soared, her heart raced. The cabin overheated, and within hours, she was gone. Laika's sacrifice, though tragic, helped pave the way for human spaceflight, proving that life could endure beyond Earth. Her story is a stark reminder of the costs of exploration. Laika didn't choose her fate, but her journey taught us about courage and sacrifice. How do you feel about Laika's story? Let's discuss it in the comments and honor her memory. Here's a mind-bending fact. Earth's days are getting longer. Each year, the moon drifts 1.5 inches farther away, slowing our planet's rotation. A billion years ago, a day lasted just 18 hours. In another billion years, it'll stretch to 28 hours, giving us more time for work, play, or simply stargazing. This slow cosmic waltz between Earth and moon shapes our world in subtle but profound ways. A reminder that even the constants we take for granted are in flux. Far across the universe, 8.5 billion light years away, lurks Phoenix, a star, the largest black hole ever discovered. With a mass 100 billion times that of our sun, its event horizon spans 100 times the distance from the sun to Pluto. If you traveled at light speed, it would take 71 days to circle it. This cosmic behemoth is still growing, devouring matter with insatiable hunger. It's a stark reminder of the universe's scale and power, dwarfing our wildest imaginations. Every atom in your body was forged in the hearts of ancient stars. The oxygen you breathe, the water you drink, the carbon in your cells, all trace back to the Big Bang and the fiery deaths of stars. You are not just on Earth, you are of the cosmos, a living piece of the universe's story. This connection binds us to the stars, to each other, and to the infinite possibilities of existence. Now, let's journey to the realm of pulsars, the universe's most precise timekeepers. Pulsars are neutron stars, the collapsed cores of massive stars that explode as supernovae. Spinning at incredible speeds, some as fast as 700 times per second, they emit beams of radiation that sweep across space like cosmic lighthouses. When these beams cross Earth, we detect them as rhythmic pulses, so precise they rival the best atomic clocks. Discovered in 1967 by Jocelyn Bell Burnell, pulsars have revolutionized our understanding of stellar evolution and gravity. As of August 2025, astronomers have identified over 3,000 pulsars, some of which help us map the galaxy and test Einstein's theories. Imagine a star, denser than a mountain in a teaspoon, spinning faster than a blender, sending signals across billions of miles. Doesn't that blow your mind? What pulsar discovery would you love to see next? Drop it in the comments. Deep in the cosmos, something massive is pulling our galaxy toward it at a staggering speed. Known as the Great Attractor, this mysterious force lies about 250 million light-years away, hidden behind the Milky Way's dense star field. Scientists believe it's a colossal cluster of galaxies, with a gravitational pull so strong it affects millions of galaxies across hundreds of millions of light-years. As of 2025, advanced telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope are peering through the cosmic dust to unravel its secrets, revealing hints of a supercluster with the mass of tens of thousands of Milky Ways. The Great Attractor reminds us that even our entire galaxy is just a small player in a vast cosmic dance, tugged by forces we're only beginning to understand. What do you think the Great Attractor could be? Share your wildest theories in the comments. Finally, let's ponder one of the universe's greatest mysteries, the Fermi Paradox. With billions of stars in our galaxy alone, many hosting planets in the habitable zone, where is everybody? The universe should be teeming with life, yet we've seen no signs of intelligent civilizations. As of August 2025, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, continues to scan the skies, while missions like the Europa Clipper probe search for microbial life in our solar system. Some theories suggest aliens are silent, hiding, or extinct. Others propose we're simply looking in the wrong places. The paradox challenges us to question our assumptions about life, intelligence, and our place in the cosmos. It's a haunting question that sparks both hope and humility. Do you believe we'll ever find alien life? Let's debate it in the comments. Your ideas could spark the next big breakthrough. Now, let's cast our gaze billions of years into the future, to a time when our Milky Way galaxy faces a monumental encounter. In approximately 4.5 billion years, the Andromeda Galaxy, our closest galactic neighbor, will collide with the Milky Way in a cosmic ballet of unimaginable scale. As of August 2025, observations from the Hubble and Gaia telescopes confirm that Andromeda is barreling toward us at about 250,000 miles per hour. Don't panic, this won't be a destructive crash like a car accident. Galaxies are mostly empty space, so stars are unlikely to collide. Instead, their gravitational dance will reshape both galaxies, merging them into a single elliptical galaxy over millions of years. Imagine the night sky during this event. New stars appearing, constellations warping, and the sky ablaze with the light of distant suns drawn closer. This merger will redefine our cosmic neighborhood, a reminder that even galaxies evolve. What would you name this new galaxy? Share your creative ideas in the comments. Beyond the familiar planets lies a realm few of us ever consider, the Oort cloud, a vast spherical shell of icy bodies enveloping our solar system. Stretching up to a light year from the sun, this distant frontier is thought to contain trillions of comets, remnants from the solar system's formation 4.6 billion years ago. As of August 2025, we've never directly observed the Oort cloud. It's too far and faint, but its existence is inferred from the long period comets that occasionally streak through our skies, like Comet Hale-Bopp. These icy wanderers, nudged by distant gravitational tugs, can take thousands of years to orbit the sun. The Oort cloud is a cosmic archive, holding clues to our solar system's birth and its place in the galaxy. Imagine exploring this frozen frontier. What secrets do you think it holds? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's unravel the mysteries together. From the moon's catastrophic descent to the golden record's hopeful message, from Laika's sacrifice to the pale blue dot's humbling perspective, these stories weave a tapestry of wonder, loss, and discovery. They remind us that our journey through the cosmos is both fragile and fearless. As you look up at the stars tonight, think about your place in this vast universe. What stories will you tell? What mysteries will you chase? Hit that like button if this journey moved you, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more tales from the cosmos. Together, let's keep exploring the wonders of our universe.